of business company. The Kerepek Rangup Kak Shida shop business, as this is hereditary and now it is the second generation that manage it. The owner of the business now is entirely is to Rosida binti Mat Isa. This business has been operating for over 5 years. Kerepek Rangup Kak Shida business is a partnership business that offers chips product. This business has a premise in number 488 B Kampung Bukit Kecil, Simpur, Sungai Petani. This location was chosen because we found that this area is often visited by many people, such as local and students. Also, the selection of this place was chosen because we found that customers easily get our chips, which have a variety of flavors. Next, this place also the focus of people to find necessities.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Nurul Lamenta Domanap, my matric number S5852. Quality. Quality refers to how good something is compared to other similar things. In other words, quality is degree of excellence. The ISO 840-1986 standard defines quality as the total of feature and characteristic of a product or service that bear its ability to satisfy stated or implied needs. In business, manufacturing and engineering, the term has a pragmatic interpretation as the superiority or non-inferiority of something. It also refers to a product as fit for purpose, while at the same time satisfying consumer expectations. In business, there are many aspects to quality. It may refer either to good or service. The key aspect of how good or fit for purpose goods are rooted in the concept of quality management, which cover 4 areas. The first one is quality planning, quality assurance, quality control, and the last one is quality improvement.
Award Adrizati binti Wan Mat Taib and my magic number is S58336. Now I will explain a little bit about the dimension of the quality of the Kerepek Rangup Kak Shida. Quality product is a product that meets customer expectations. There are 8 dimensions of a quality that can help manufacturers to meet these expectations. It is a strategic management tool that can be used as a framework for analyzing quality characteristics. The 8 dimensions are performance, features, reliability, performance, durability, serviceability, aesthetic, and perceived quality. Based on the Kerepek Rangup Kak Shida business that we have choose, the business has used a more dimension such as aesthetic that prioritize taste, smell, and attractive color for the chips, durability of the product, performance, and serviceability in maintaining the good service.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. If I was the quality manager of the company, I will choose Total Quality Management (TQM) for my business. TQM began in the industry, but it may be used by any company. TQM is a management method for an organization that relies on the engagement of all members and aims for long-term success through customer satisfaction. This strategy benefits all members of the company as well as society as a whole. Total quality management is described as a customer-focused approach that strives to continuously enhance corporate processes. It assures that all associated activities, especially employee labor, are directed toward the shared aim of increasing product or service quality, as well as improving the manufacturing process or the process of giving services. Management commitment consists of 4 components, which is plan, do, check, and act. For the example of the person that we had interviewed, who is Miss Shida, owner of Kerepek Rangup Kak Shida, she does participate with her business by going to the farm, which her company's raw materials. She do that to make sure that her product were in a good condition. Other than that, Ms. Shida also inspects the environment around the chip manufacturing facility on a regular basis to guarantee that no accidents or unpleasant things happen to personnel or the machinery. From this, we know that by practicing the TQM, which is Total Quality Management for the business, it will enhance the business and help the business to grow and become successful.
The quality control system has been equipped with the features that can help in the management activities of the company. Through the activation of the system, have the manager check that the raw material that reach the factory have a quality that is in line with the set standard. The system is also equipped with features that can help manager get the actual quantity of product ordered by the buyer and ensure that the product delivered to the buyer are in a flawless, safe condition.
Company use quality control system because the system has helped speed up the delivery process of product that has been ordered to buy and ensure that the quantity and type of product ordered accurate. Delivery product to customer in the surrounding area become easy because with the system can track the location of the buyer. The system only make delivery in the nearest area, only causing customer to quickly get the goods. The system can also prevent chips from crumbling and smelling musty if delivered late, because the customer not to have to worry about the chips that will be shipped through his system. Seller and buyer will be easier if using the system.
So after we create the logo for the app, we give the name of the app as KRKS. So what the meaning behind the KRKS? K is for Krepik, Y, R is for Rangup, and for the name K for Kak, and the last is S for Shida. We create the name based on the real name of the owner of the chip shop. This application can be downloaded through the App Store and also Play Store.
The logo shown on this KRKS application also carry its own meaning. The pictures of the chips used was specially created for the sale and purchase of many types of chips from Kerepek Rangup Kashida shop. Next, why is it that chips are used and no other chip? This is because of the chips color. The yellow color on the chips refer to the golden color of the fried food and look so crunchy. The Kerepek Rangup shop really care about the crunchiness of every cheese it sell. That's because the name of shop Kerepek Rangup.
The application has various facilities to business customers and also to suppliers. For example, the application has facilities such as in terms of business stock calculation, communication to supply, placing orders by customers, agent Kerepek for sale to customers, and business location. The conversion of this application to business and supply is in terms of calculation the stock quantity of core business Kerepek available in the store. This is said so because the application can make it easy for business to know the movement in and out of the quantity of Kerepek in the store to ensure that the quantity of Kerepek is not reduced or not excessive. This is done so because if the quantity of Kerepek is in a declining state, it is difficult to keep store during erratic seasons such as rainy season, droughts, and others. If there is such a season, raw materials are difficult for supply to obtain to make new Kerepeks. If the quantity of Kerepek is excessive, it will cause the Kerepek to get winded or become soft. In addition, this application can facilitate customers. This is said so because customers can place order only through this application only. Furthermore, customers can also find out the location near them regarding the location of this Kerepek shop if they went to buy face-to-face, so that they are more satisfied with their cost. Customers can also communicate with a nearby agent to get repair immediately if their area does not have repair shop. Finally, this application can make it easy to communicate with agents to certain countries. This is said so because this application can facilitate communication between agent and business to ensure that the stock in the agent is sufficient so that there is no decrease in them to be sold to customer on an ongoing basis. For example, I have 3 agents in 8 states. Among the states are Kedah, Penang, Selangor, Johor, Pahang, Kelantan, Sabah, and Sarawak. The state does not have an agent. Customer can place order directly through this application to daily in order to make negotiation with the company-owned van.
The next features is sales. Through these features, the owner can set sales targets more easily. In addition, the owner can also keep records of sales that have been done securely and can be seen in the form of graph over a period of time. With that, the owner can evaluate his sales performance on a daily, monthly or annual basis and then be able to set sales targets and income estimates more efficiently and accurately. The next features is supplier. The owner can keep all the related information about their suppliers in these features. Not only that, the owner can directly contact the supplier to get information related to the raw materials needed. Supplier can also inform in these features about the condition of their raw materials stock, whether they meet the quantity and quality as required by the owner. Thus, the owner can reduce costs such as transportation costs, time and energy from conducting a survey at the supplier's location to obtain any information. The last features is delivery. As we know, chips are perishable foods if using the service of a postal company to send goods. Therefore, the owner takes the initiative to invest costs by making her own delivery to the customer. Through these features, the owner can communicate with customer to get their information, such as address and phone number to facilitate delivery. In addition, customer can also track items ordered through the live location used during the delivery session. Thus, this helps in increasing the confidence and loyalty of customers to trust their delivery service with the assurance of the quality of the chips are in good condition when received by them.